Mom, can I try?
Try in your book first. We have done. These two questions I told is most important questions. This is one and another one is 90 minus half of A. Both of them I told it's very, very important questions. Draw the figure first. Bisectors of angle B and C. So OB and OC are bisectors. So this angle and this angle is
X and
Equal.
X.
X and X and the
equal
other
X and X. This and this
Y and
Y.
Y.
Y and Y. So in triangle ABC,
2x plus 2y plus angle
2x
180 degrees.
180 degrees.
so first you write OB and OC are bisectors of B and C. So therefore, angle ABO is equal to angle OBC, let it be X. Angle ACO is equal to angle OCB, let it be Y. In triangle ABC, angle sum property only you are using here. Angle A plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. Angle A is equal to 180 minus 2x minus 2y. Or you can take 180 minus 2 into bracket x plus y. This is equal to angle A. Now angle BOC, triangle BOC. Angle O, that is BOC, plus x plus y is equal to 180. So angle BOC is equal to 180 minus x plus y. Clear? Now here what is the value of x plus y? Or here what we can do is,
Ma'am, we should keep x and y as this hand and 180 minus a by 90 minus a by 2.
this is 180. Angle A plus 2 into x plus y is equal to 180 is there. So we can take it as
2
x
into x
plus y is equal to 180
minus
minus
a by
a whole by 2.
the
So substitute here. Angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 180 minus angle A by 2. Then substitute 180 minus this is 90
90.
minus A by 2. So
so
180
90 plus a by
minus 90 plus A by 2. So 180 minus 90 is
90
90
plus a by
plus angle A by 2 is angle BOC.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Oh, nothing.
So from next class onwards, Tuesday onwards, we'll start the next chapter, triangles, congruency of triangles. The same question. These two questions are asked compulsory for 3 marks, either of them, or both of them for or question. They have asked every year, every semester. They have asked these 2 questions. What happened? They just completed. Second one, have you done? This last one.
And just now you gave that one, no?
Yeah, that one.
And then we see what to do.
Similar way. Angle sum property only you're using. Now in this case, this is a bisector. Here, this one and this one is a bisector. Consider that as x and x. This is y, this is y. So what is this angle then?
180 minus 2x.
180 minus
2x.
x.
And this
180
one is
minus 2y.
180 minus 2y. Then use angle sum property to get the value of A, angle sum property to get the value of O. And simplify. From upper triangle, find the value of x plus y. You will get here x plus y. So find the value of x plus y and substitute that in this this angle sum property. So what is the angle A? Upper triangle in triangle ABC. Angle A plus 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y is equal to 180. So here it is this 180 cancel because it will go back that side. 180 minus 180, 0. So angle A is plus 180 is equal to 2x plus 2y. So this minus 2x minus 2y go to RHS. Will become plus 2 into x plus y is equal to A plus 180. This 2 will down here. Angle A plus 180 by 2 is equal to x plus y. That is angle A by 2 plus 90 is the this is x plus y value, and then triangle BOC. Angle BOC plus x plus y is equal to 180. Substitute the value of x plus y. Angle BOC plus A by 2 plus 90 is equal to 180. Angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 90 minus A by 2. 90 minus A by 2. For your science, do you have the first chapter or not?
Yes, ma'am, we
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
Chemistry first chapter only.
In that first,
Ma'am,
some topics are related, only some are there.
Which one?
Like latent heat is there.
Hmm? What teacher have told?
Ma'am, teacher has told that in first chapter many topics are related. So add some topics of the second chapter like suspension, colloids, and all we have to study.
The exam is coming or not?
It is correct.
What is coming in the exam?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Suleiman sir said that we have to read both the chapters. Like, is matter pure Second
Matter in
chapter,
our
first chapter,
surrounding.
both.
First chapter,
Yes,
both.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but for syllabus it's only 3 chapters.
Done? Next class, we will do the first chapter revision.
Ma'am?
Next class, then we will do first chapter revision.
No, ma'am. I have a doubt. In science, you said something homework. No, ma'am. That's
S. Chan book,
yes, ma'am.
physics, force and laws of motion, first exercise, very short answer questions and short answer questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, APB is 90 degrees.
That's right. You can consider this as x and x. This is a bisector. So this is xx. This is yy. So relation between these two angles is
200 angle.
2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degrees. So dividing with 2, x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. So sum of these two is 90. So total sum will be
180.
APB triangle. Angle APB plus angle x plus y is equal to 180. Out of that, this is 90. Angle APB plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle APB is equal to 90 degree.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, in the before question, that in that adjacent figure, the before question, yeah, in that I took angle ABC as x, and then I did like 180 minus x by 2, and then sorry.
You can do that one also.
Ma'am, because in our class, Preeti ma'am told normally you have to not consider x and x, y and y, to become complicated, and it will be difficult for me to evaluate.
That's not whatever easy for you, you can do that one. Whatever you feel easy, you have to confident for on that. Do that one method. Okay? Because according to me, that x by 2 is much more complicated. But if you feel it is okay, that you can do that. every time you have to draw the figure, you have to mention which angle you have considered, and you have to write it down also in the sidewise. And one more thing for geometry questions, writing given to prove. For all proving questions, you have to write given things and proving this one, what you have to prove, construction if there is any, and proof. So in proper stepwise you have to do. Just like here also, although it is asked to find APB, but it is not the measurements, value 30, 40, 45, nothing is given there. So that means this is a proving part only. So here also you have to write given to prove proof.
I'm like,
Clear?
if there is no value, it is proving.
Yes, values are not given, then you have, values are there, then no need to write. But here questions are given in geometry, that is proving parts are there. Prove this. That time it is mandatory to write given to prove proof.
Ma'am,
Otherwise you will lose marks.
ma'am, so in this question we have
You
not
have to write.
asked to prove something. So we should write
No,
given to
but
prove.
here that's APB angle you are calculating by
Yeah.
no any simple calculation. 20, 30 values that they have not given. According
So
to
in
value, you are not solving that.
yeah.
You are solving by proving it. You are proving that angle is 90 degrees.
So we have tried
Okay.
the starting.
Here you have to write given and to prove things.
So to prove we are trying to prove angle APB is equal to 90 degrees.
Yeah. So here also you have to write given things, given to prove and proof. So in today's this one, I've sent you the linear equations, first part of the question paper. In that also the angle ROT you have to calculate. So that was also coming 90 degrees. So there also it is needed to write to given to prove. Because by simple calculations by 20, 30, 45, 40, 54 values, they have not given here. You're proving it by using bisectors, geometrical theorems, you're using it to solve these. So therefore you need to write given to prove.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, but in this question we don't know that we'll get APB as 90. So how can we write
Yeah,
to
that's what
prove
APB is not 90. So therefore that is only we don't know. Therefore you need to mention it.
what should be mentioning to prove?
Given to prove this one, finding angle APB.
Okay.
Okay. Done this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Find X and Y.
Ma'am, X is 60 and Y is 80.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, now you are able to hear me.
Yes, now I can.
Ma'am, x is equal to 60 degrees
Yes, right.
and y is equal to 80 degrees.
Y is 80.
Yes, ma'am.
X is equal to 70 degrees, right?
16. 8, X is 60.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm? Find X. Y is 80, right?
Ma'am, X is 35 degrees in the second one.
Yes, ma'am, 35 degrees.
And in the next one, x is equals to 35 degrees.
That's right.
And we have to assume that EF and CD are parallel.
Yes.
X is equal to 35 degrees.
That's right.
Ma'am, is equals to 125 degrees.
How?
Ma'am, you can extend DC towards, we can make it as
No, it is
A.
not coming. That's it. What you do?
And we can extend DC.
Hmm.
Then,
Ma'am, is X
then we
120
can,
degree?
And this will be 85. This is
ma'am, it
10,
will be,
120.
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am, it
120.
will,
No, 110. It's 110 degrees.
ma'am, but 50, no,
50
yeah,
plus
it will be,
35 is 85. 85 plus 25 is 110.
Ma'am, we can't use the angle sum property for quadrilateral.
Yes, you can use.
So it is everything is 360 degree.
Hmm.
So 50 plus 35, 85 plus 25, 110.
ma'am, but you can mark that 85 degree as 50 because of corresponding.
They have given any line parallels? Is there anything you feel parallel?
No, ma'am.
Then how can you do that? It's a simple angle sum property.
Okay.